Welcome or welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy and this is our development series where we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica and across the world. We meet here every Sunday at 11 a.m. Plus I do bonus videos within the week and this is a bonus video. If you're interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe. Under my last video, a viewer left this comment: have you been to the library recently? And that just sparked my interest. What's going on at the library, Everall? I needed to know, so I stopped by today. Word on the street is that it seems to be a beautification project by TEF Tourism Enhancement Fund. To be confirmed, of course. I also stopped by Harmony Beach Park. The beach at Harmony Beach Park was reopened. Remember, it was closed because of the rough weather we had a few weeks ago. Well, they reopened it recently. And one of the vendors told me that today, that was Tuesday, yesterday, was a ship day. And that explains why I saw a lot of tourists all over the park enjoying it. I also stopped by the St. Irwin Main Road to have a look at the Montego Bay Bypass project.